Hey, welcome back to the channel. I just saw something. I didn't know they were out here, but let me put this up. Wild horses out there. I don't know if you guys can see on this camera's a wide angle, so but there's lots of wild horses out here in the desert. Hopefully you guys can see them. Well, anyhow, welcome back to the channel. Click that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and hit that bell and you'll get future videos. So yesterday I was up on the hill, made a few contacts, out for about an hour, made about 5 or 6 contacts, and then listened a little bit. It was great. Then after I got back, the guys hadn't left yet, and we did like a 50-mile motorcycle ride. And I'll see if I can get some pictures from that also. It's also some interesting stuff. All right, let's get to it. All right, this you guys saw the trailer in the last video, the workbench video. I'm actually in use this week. I got my heater, which I didn't need. Brought it anyhow. It's been warm enough up here in the desert. Got the bed put out. Didn't show you guys this, but this is the bathroom. Kind of dark in here. There you go. And it's just got a little toilet. I've got a little makeshift shower that I can set up. A little garbage can in there. Then you gotta have coffee. So I got my jet boil. Let's see if this helps. Got my jet boil. This is a AeroPress. Makes 1 cup of coffee. That's the cup there. It's like a French press basically. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's signs of wild horses. They're all over these hills out here in Nevada. We rode up along some yesterday. It was pretty cool to see, you know, just in their own little state. All right, back to concentration. Okay, I don't know how far I'm going to go up this hill. There's another stage, but I don't think I'm going to go over there. Like I said, I'm doing this by myself, and my buddies, they're not into radio, so I took off before everybody got up. And we'll just see what's up here. About 6,000 feet here. Okay, this is my little backpack I use for motorcycle riding. It's pretty compact. I don't know if you can see the name. And then today's antenna is going to be, it's a half-wave wire, half-wave end-fed QRP guys. I'm sorry about if there's wind noise, but it's really windy on top of this peak. I use this once in a while. I haven't used it a whole lot, but it seems to work pretty well. And we'll just see. I'm going to see if I can make 10 contacts today just for the heck of it, and we'll go from there. So here's a view just outside of Winnemucca and Lovelock area. I was going to go to that hill there, but I don't know. Too lazy. And then a little speck way down there, a little white speck, that's our camp. So I'm not too far from camp. And then there's like the salt flat. We went out there on the flats yesterday, and let's see how fast our motorcycles could go. And then there's the rest of the valley up that way, and then the other side of the valley. And we've rode all over these hills.
That's probably about 75% of it, Chuck. I'll be sitting here for a little while longer until Sherry gets up. But thank you for making the effort here for us first. KK6USY, somewhere out in the desert, W680.
So Andy lives in San Diego. So Nevada to San Diego, not too bad with 10, 12 watts. Let me find Mike's favorite logger. Oh, there it is, ham log. Okay, I'm gonna just kind of tune around the band here a little bit and see what I can find. I actually do have service up here, so let me see if I can find any soda, guys. Let's see, 7182. There we go.
Thank you. Kilo Lima 7, Hotel Mike.
Kilo 6, Uniform Sierra Yankee.
At a Kilo 6 station, Quebec.
Yeah, Kilo 6, Uniform Sierra Yankee.
Kilo 6, Uniform Sierra Yankee, I read you 59 QSL.
Where are you located?
Roger, Nevada. I am on near Flagstaff. I am west of Flagstaff, Arizona on Three Sisters Mountain.
Good luck and have fun on your soda.
Roger, 73. Hotel 59, Colorado.
Mary Whiskey Fox, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. King 1 Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Handles Lake, located in Connecticut, over.
Connecticut, wow.
Kilo 1, Mike Whiskey Foxtrot. Lee, this is Klaus from Iowa. You are 5757. Yep, appreciate it. It's getting a little chilly out here, so need to get these call signs going here. QRZ, Kilowatt 9, Delta Juliet Romeo, parks on the air.
Kilo 6, Uniform Sierra Yankee.
I got a station calling in there. One more time.
Yeah, you dropped. It's a Kilo 6, Uniform Sierra Yankee.
I've got a Kilo station in there.
Yeah, Kilo 6, Uniform Sierra Yankee, and I'm running QRP on a mountaintop.
Kilo 6, Uniform Sierra Yankee, QSL.
QSL. And what was your call sign again?
Kilo 9, Delta Juliet Romeo. Kilowatt 9, Delta Juliet Romeo. From James Pate State Park, Kilo 1001, QSL.
Yeah, QSL. Good job. I'm just out doing portable, kind of like a soda, but it's not really an official soda. You got a good signal. You were like a 5 and 8 the first time. I'm running 12 watts here. Have fun, and thanks for activating.
Hey, roger that. Seems like the band just opened up on us. I got you at about 55.
All right, I copied the 5.5, and you were about a 5.8 there, so good signal.
All right, QSL. Appreciate it. QRZ from... Roger, you're 59 in the state of Maine, near the Canadian border, over.
Oh, Maine.
Okay, yes, that looks correct to my logging. Kilo 4 Delta Tango Romeo, K4 DTR, you're 59, West Central Florida. Oh, you came up with a nice 59. Kilo 4 Delta Tango Romeo, you're 59 into Iowa.
Kilo 6, Uniform Sierra Yankee.
Kilo Kilo station. Come again?
Kilo Kilo 6 Uniform Sierra Yankee. I'm running QRP on a mountaintop.
Kilo Kilo 6 Uniform Sierra India. This time you came in quite nice. 5-8 here. I don't know if you were the station that tried to contact me earlier.
Yeah, it's Kilo Kilo 6 Uniform Sierra Yankee. Yankee is the last one. Yankee.
Oops, typo. Kilo Kilo 6 Uniform Sierra Yankee. You're still 5-8 into Iowa.
Yeah, you're 5-9 into Nevada, near Lovelock, Nevada. I'm up on a mountaintop running 12 watts.
Oh, congratulations on the 12 watts. It's coming in pretty clear now. So thank you very much for the contact, and 73.
Thank you also. 73s, have a good day there, and thanks for doing it. So that just shows you sometimes a band opens up, and when you can't get a station later on, sometimes you can. So don't be afraid to try again.
Mexico, come again?
And he's super strong. I mean, he's like 5'9" plus sometimes. So I'm impressed with this little antenna. I've only used it a few times. Never like this, really. Just playing with it at home, but it's working really well. Now, guys, if you can see this, one bar every once in a while goes up to 2. That's the cool thing about going out and doing portable work. Get away from everything, and your noise floor goes to nothing. That guy's like 0 on receive, but I can hear him. Actually, he's 5'4".
Oh, fine business. Well, I hope it's a wonderful day there. It's a wonderful day here in Nashville, Tennessee, about 66 degrees. Thank you, sir. Good signal.
CQ20, CQ20. This is Kilo 6 Uniform Sierra Yankee running QRP on a mountaintop. It's not a soda. I'm going to call this Desert's on the air today. Desert's on the air. It's a new thing. We're making it up today. This is Kilo 6 Uniform Sierra Yankee. Anyone, anywhere. Kilo 3 Echo Charlie Uniform. Yeah, I got a copy on you. This is Kilo 6 Uniform Sierra Yankees calling CQ20 KK6 USY.
Whiskey 0 Mike November Alpha.
Okay, I got Whiskey 0 Mike November Alpha. Name here is Chuck, and you got a really strong signal. I'm just out playing around today, practicing soda. It's not a soda. It's not official. There's a bunch around here, but I'm out on a motorcycle, and I rode as far as I could and then climbed the top of the hill. You got a strong signal. The name is Chuck here.
Yeah, are you a soda activator?
No, it's not a true soda. I'm near a bunch of sodas. I'm out by myself on a motorcycle, and I just didn't want to get too far away from my group. So I just playing around today. Sorry if you thought it was a soda there.
Roger. Well, have a good time out there. 1073.
What was your name and where are you located?
I'm Gary, George Abel Roger Yankee, and I'm in Eastern Kansas.
All right. I'm in the high desert of Nevada near Fallon, Nevada, or Lovelock, Nevada. So you got a great signal, and thanks you for coming back to my CQ. You have a great day, 73.
73.
Well, I hope that was interesting for everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun going up on the hill there, and I didn't do a whole lot of hiking, but it was fun. And then we got to do that 50-mile ride afterwards. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe if you're new here, and hit that bell so you get the future videos automatically. This is Chuck, KK6USY, Ham Radio Adventures from the desert in Nevada, high desert, Nevada. Thanks for joining me, KK6USY Clear, 73s.